Folks, Mr. Ponzi here. Welcome to Lego with Ponzi. Hope you're all well. Hope everyone is high. Hope everyone is gravy. So today we're doing something a bit different. Now, you will recognise this model. I'm going to pull it over from over there. We have worked on this one a few times now. Everything from building it to filling it with more of the studs to wheel this over. Ta-da! This is the Lego Ideas ship in a bottle. Some of you will recognise this from other videos, some of you will not. I have done an entire build series on this, from constructing it to installing the lighting kit, which was very fiddly, to putting in. I have added, this comes with 284 of the translucent aqua studs. I've added another 1,200 on top of that. Yes, that was a bit of a wait because I got them in from America where they were cheaper over there and they had the volumes I required as well. So anyway, this is what we're going to be working on today. So you probably think to yourself, well, Matt, what else is there that you can really do to this? What more can you do that you haven't already done? Good question. Allow me to answer that one for you by placing this just to one side. Now let me just reach over to the side of me. One moment. Ta-da! This is a Perspex display case. I've been waiting for this to arrive. It's finally arrived a couple of days ago. So I'm going to put this together today. You have a look at this and see how it all goes together. I've never done this before, so this could be a bit of a long video, and we'll see how it goes together. Oh, wish me luck. I have never put anything like this together before. So put the ship out the way. Let's have a look at this. Now it's Perspex. Does need a bit of a wipe, but we'll keep that as the bottom because that's marked. We'll use this as where the ship sits because it's got the protective film on it. So we pull that off. Got the instructions. Sorry, brain fart. Got the instructions in front of me. This is from a company called iDisplayIt. Check out their range. I'll pop a link in the description below, but this is from iDisplayIt. Depending on how this goes together, I do have a few other sets I want to put in one of these, so we can have a look at how easy this thing is to put together. So yeah. So it says place. This. Position the front and side panel into the base and fix together with the above screws. Well, I know about that bit. So it's basically going to go like that, which is cool. So that's going to be yeah, sweet. So do not apply glue to the case. I don't intend to, but I'm going to put a little bit of blue tack on it to hold the ship in place. So join me on this merry-go-round of what the hell are we doing today. This is going to be a lot of fun. It's either going to work or it's not going to work. I have no idea. I've never done this before. I am very nervous. Very, very nervous. But yeah. This case cost me £35. Compared to the other ones I've seen online, it's very reasonable. These folks have really, really, really good reviews. So why not? So far, the quality of it I found to be brilliant. I really would mute your microphones for a few moments. Right, so that's the side we're going to use. That side has got a coating on it, plastic sleeve. We're going to leave that as is. Blue tack. Yes, we're going to put blue tack on the base of it to hold it in position so it doesn't start moving around when we try to put sides and everything on. But basically it's just to hold it in place so we know exactly, roughly shall we say, where it's going to go without it moving around too much. So, no, I can't take that off, can I, because of the lighting kit underneath. Right. This is going to make it interesting. I know this blue tack will not hold it, completely, but hopefully it will hold it in position enough to place it on there, put the sides on, and then we can go from there. Got to be careful with it because it's all lighting kitted together. It's literally wired together. So as you can see, there's all the wiring, LEDs built into there, the nose, and all the way down the ship. So I'm going to pop a little bit of blue tack on there. Oh look, there goes the nose. Like I said, it's a bit pernickety. So we'll just attach that again. Like so. Try not to nudge it off again. There we go. So that's now seated just about where I want it. So what we'll do is we'll push that to one side. Put that over there. Now let's have a look at the instructions on how to put this thing together. Position with the flat side pointing down. Okay. Give me a moment. I will quickly put these fixings in and then you can rejoin me as I'm actually assembling the case. So back in a few minutes. Thanks so much. Hello folks, thanks for your patience. Probably just saw me there struggling to get it together. This thing is lovely. It's very simplistic once you get a head round which piece goes where. So what I'm going to do is do a sped up build montage now of me putting this thing together. We'll have a bit of a chat at the end. I should have really worn an earthing strap for this one. The amount of static that is coming off this Perspex is mental. The next thing I touch that's metal, I'm probably going to go, but I don't mind that. I've been electrocuted a few times and it's actually quite pleasant. Anyway, let's have a chat in a few minutes after I've put this together. So enjoy the music, enjoy this little montage. Let's have some fun. Let us begin. We tried all there is to try. I'm not gonna let you fall this time. Let me hold you. I won't let anybody hurt you. So And there you have it, my friends. The iDisplayIt ship in a bottle display case. It was immensely easy to put together. The quality of it is immense. It's very, very sturdy. Obviously, it comes off. Happy joys. You can easily get to it, dust it. I'll happily be using that lid coming off a lot because I've got the power. I've got the lighting kit inside. So yes, I'm going to change over the lighting kit to an RF unit so I can just click it on and off. Yes, I'm going to use a BricsMax receiver unit for that. So that's cool, but that'll be all done at another time. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Personally, I think this thing is beautiful. But yes, I have my next project sat right there, just off camera. And that is going to get built. The start of that's going to be built tonight. So that's going to be fun. I'll give you a little teaser of what it is. There's quite a few of them in it. So that's your little teaser of what's coming next. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want a display case for any of your Lego models, check out iDisplayIt. They do cases from the really small to the really large. I've seen their websites. They do one for Hogwarts, the full-size Hogwarts. So this is going to be cool. Very, very cool. Watch at the end of the video for the light display unit being turned on, it all looking snazzy. But that'll be after the outro and everything at the end of the video. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm aiming to be the first Lego channel in the world to have 1 million subscribers. So that's my goal I've set for myself. So I'll see you all soon. May the Fonzie be with you all. Look after yourselves, and I'll see you all next time. Ta-ta for now, my friends. Peace out. Such a good case. So cool looking, that case. Hello, folks. Just wanted to say a quick thanks for watching today. It's been a brilliant thing to make. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next episode of Lego with the Fonzie. Take care, my friends. Hope you enjoyed the pictures as promised. Bye bye for now.
The Fonz be with you.
And also with you.
Let us A.